Did you know there are beautiful plants you can grow without soil? Just water, sunlight, and a container? Perfect for those who love plants but don't want to deal with dirt. In this video, I'll show you 10 stunning plants you can grow in water, elegant, easy to care for, and ideal for decorating your home or office. 1. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. This is one of the most popular houseplants that grows perfectly in water. Its heart-shaped green or variegated leaves grow fast and look great in glass containers. Just cut a stem with a few nodes and place it in water. You'll see new roots in no time. 2. Philodendron scandens. Another great climbing plant that adapts well to water. It has heart-shaped leaves and thrives in indirect light. It's perfect for shelves or hanging arrangements and looks amazing trailing from a vase. 3. Syngonium podophyllum. Known for its arrow-shaped leaves, this plant can grow in water from cuttings. It's colorful and adds a tropical touch to any space. Place a few stems in a glass container and enjoy how quickly it adapts. 4. Monstera adansoni. This plant is famous for its perforated leaves and exotic look. It also grows well in water, though more slowly. You only need 1 or 2 cuttings to create a striking centerpiece in a jar or bottle. 5. Dracaena marginata. A more architectural-looking plant with long, narrow leaves. You can grow it in water from cuttings or even small stems. It adds vertical interest and is very low maintenance. 6. Lucky bamboo, Dracaena sanderiana. One of the most iconic water-grown plants. Although it's not actually bamboo, it grows happily in just water. Place it in a transparent container with stones for support and keep the roots submerged. 7. Begonia rex. Yes, this beautiful and colorful plant can also be grown in water. You can propagate it from leaf cuttings and enjoy its impressive patterns. Change the water regularly to keep it healthy. 8. Caladium. Its heart-shaped, colorful leaves make it a favorite. While it usually grows in soil, you can root and grow it in water too. Just make sure it gets indirect light and stable temperatures. 9. Alocasia amazonica. This exotic plant can be kept in water for a while. It needs a stable environment, good humidity, and indirect light. Place it in a large container and enjoy its bold foliage. 10. Sansevieria, snake plant. Although it's more common in soil, it can root and grow in water from cuttings. It's one of the easiest plants to care for, and ideal if you're just starting out with water propagation. Keep the water clean by changing it every 7 to 10 days. Use filtered or rested tap water to avoid chemicals that can harm the roots. Make sure the container is clean and transparent if you want to enjoy watching the roots grow. Place your plants in bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sun, as it can overheat the water or damage the leaves. Also, you can add a drop of liquid fertilizer once a month for stronger growth, and always remove any yellowing leaves or roots to keep everything healthy. Growing plants in water is a great way to decorate, save space, and enjoy greenery with very little effort. Whether you're a beginner or already a plant lover, these species are perfect for experimenting and falling in love with hydroponic-style gardening. And if you love trailing or hanging plants, I invite you to check out my video where I show you the best hanging plants to brighten up your home. You're going to love them.